Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. If you're new to my channel, I post one of these every week, either on Friday or Saturday. So make sure that you're subscribed if you want to see more dinner inspiration every week. So this week I'm actually at Walmart. I need to get some household items that I really want to get there just because they're the best price, like dog food and stuff. I did go to Hy-Vee right before this and spend about $75. They had some really great sales. They had a sale on all of their freezer items, so anything you could fit in a paper bag they took 15% off of, and then they had some other things like rotisserie chicken on sale. So I'll show you what I got from there when I get home, but I'm gonna run in here to Walmart and get the rest of what I need, and then when we get home I will show you what I got. Alright, so here's everything I got. I just mixed it all together because I wanted to put like all the produce together, so I'll try to remember where I got things, but I spent about $200 at Walmart. So I got some romaine lettuce, so that will be for salads this week, and then also one night for dinner I'm going to make BLTs, so that will be for that. And then Hy-Vee had a really good coupon on Halos. These were on sale, a 3-pound bag for $2.88, so I went ahead and got a bag of those since we were running low. They also had a 5-pound bag of potatoes on sale for 99 cents, which is super cheap, and so I went ahead and got one of these. I would have gotten more if I could have, but it was limit one. From Walmart, I got a bag of apples. I decided to get the Golden Delicious this time because that's what kind Connor has been liking. I got 2 English cucumbers. I like to get these either at Aldi or Walmart because they're way cheaper. At Hy-Vee, these are $3 a piece, and I can get 2 of them for $3 at Walmart. At Hy-Vee, I got some basil because I want to make some caprese salad this week, so I grabbed some of that. Strawberries are still pretty pricey. I got these at Walmart. They were, I think, around $4, but I went ahead and got them anyway. I also got some cherry tomatoes and some bananas. I tried to pick some that were a little bit greener since we have a few in the bowl left over from earlier in the week. I got some flat leaf parsley for a couple salads that I'm going to make. And then Hy-Vee also had blueberries on sale. I want to say they were like $1.88, so I got a package of those. Walmart's mangoes were actually pretty ripe this week, they felt like, so I went ahead and got 2 of those. Buying lemons at Walmart is like highway robbery. I feel like after buying them at Aldi, this was like $5 for this bag of lemons, which is ridiculous, but it was the cheapest they had. So I got those. I like to keep them in the refrigerator all the time. And then I got some green onions for baked potatoes, and I also like to put green onions in my caprese salad too. Tonight I'm going to make some of those bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, like the ones that are stuffed with cream cheese. So I got 6 jalapenos and some baby carrots. I like to keep these on hand for snacking, and then I like to eat them with hummus. I got a bag of tomatoes. I got these, excuse me, the last time I went to Walmart, and they were really good. Tomatoes, actually. I don't know, there's just say Mighty Vine on the Vine tomatoes, but those will be for the BLTs this week. I got 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 green. And then I also got a bag of limes from Walmart since I was running low on those. So that's all the fresh produce I got. I got a ½ gallon of 2% milk for like just cooking and cereal, and then also buying buttermilk from Walmart is highway robbery because this was like $3.28, and at Hy-Vee I can actually get like a little container of buttermilk for like 99 cents. So I think I'll probably have to make some pancakes to use up the rest of this since I don't want to waste it. The only thing I needed this for was for a coleslaw recipe, so I won't be using the whole jug, so I'll probably make some pancakes. I got some half and half for my coffee, some sour cream, sharp cheddar cheese sticks. I pretty much buy these every time I go to Walmart. We like to keep them in the fridge for snacks and lunches. What? Yeah, ice cream. I got some of these fresh mozzarella pearls. This is for the caprese salad. I like to buy these because they're easy to break apart and you don't have to chop up the fresh mozzarella to put in your salad. My Walmart's been having these like pre-sliced deli meats, which is interesting because they haven't had that before. So I got about ½ a pound of this buffalo chicken deli meat, and then ½ a pound of the regular chicken deli meat. And then I got some different cheeses. These two are from Hy-Vee, just regular sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, and then I got a block of pepper jack too because I like to snack on that and I don't always buy it. We were running low on Kraft singles, so I got some of these for like grilled cheese, or sometimes Connor likes this on his sandwiches too. I got a package of bacon for those jalapeno poppers. What? Alright, I got some hot dogs because I thought that we were going to have a plan B for dinner tonight, but we're going to end up having steak, and so we'll probably use these for something else this week, or I can put them in the freezer to use for later. I've seen this new Taco Bell cheese at my Hy-Vee, and it was $2.69 and it had a $1 off coupon, so I went ahead and just got this. It says taco night, it's just shredded cheddar cheese, so this was basically $1.69, so I grabbed that. I got some Monterey Jack cheese because I want to make enchiladas this week, and then also Connor really likes quesadillas, and this cheese is really good in those. I grabbed some of these panino pepperoni. Kira really likes to take these in her lunch, and they're good to have in the fridge as a snack. They're a little bit pricey. They're, I think, $4.88 for this package, but I buy them every once in a while. I got some bacon bits for salads and baked potatoes, and then my ruby red grapefruit juice that I like to have in the mornings. I like to drink a glass of that in the morning before I have my coffee. One thing I haven't bought in a long time is shells and cheese, but we're gonna have BLTs this week and it sounded good with that, so I got like the family size pack of that. And then we're running low on maraschino cherries also, and I always keep these in the fridge, or I try to anyway, for like drinks, or sometimes the kids will have ice cream and they can put one of those on there. One night this week I'm gonna make spaghetti, and I have never tried this Great Value pasta sauce before. I usually always get Prego, but this was 88 cents. So if you guys have tried this, let me know. I don't know if it's good or not, but I'm gonna give it a try, and if it's good, I'll be buying it from now on because that's a great price for spaghetti sauce. I got the kids some Simply Go-Gurt. I went ahead and got the Simply kind just because this has less sugar in it than the regular Go-Gurts. Hy-Vee had their fajita and taco seasoning on sale. It was buy one get one free, I think, so I got these two for 69 cents. They're out of the taco seasoning, but I figured fajita seasoning is basically the same thing, so I got both of those. And then I haven't bought these in a while, but these are the Tortilla Land tortillas that you have to cook. So they come uncooked, you just peel it off, and then you basically just heat it up in a skillet on both sides until it's cooked through. They're really, really good. And a lot of times we can't eat these before they go bad, but this one had a date of May 19th. So I'm hoping that we can get those used up before they go bad. But these are really good. They taste a lot better than obviously packaged tortillas do. I grabbed the kids some Go-Go Squeeze. This is just the apple strawberry. They like to take these in their lunch sometimes or have them for breakfast. I'm also trying the Great Value hazelnut spread, which is like Nutella. I've never tried this before, but we were out of Nutella, and this was almost $2 cheaper than the regular Nutella, so I thought we would give this a try. The kids sometimes like to have this on waffles for breakfast. They don't get it all the time, but every once in a while as a treat. So, something sad happened, and I filmed the rest of the grocery haul. And then I turned my camera off too quickly, I guess, because the whole last clip that I filmed got corrupted. And I uploaded it onto my computer and I could not retrieve it. So, lesson learned. If you have a Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, do not shut your camera off super quickly or you will lose your clip. So anyway, I have gotten everything back out as best I could. It's the following day, so we have used some of the things already, but I'm going to try to just piece the rest together for you. And then I also want to show you the meal plan for the week because I do like posting these videos every week. I don't want to, waste all that footage. So instead of juice boxes or juice pouches this week, I went ahead and got some of the Ice Mountain 8-ounce bottles for the kids to take in their lunches. I figured that would be a nice change from juice all the time and obviously much healthier. They can also put these in their backpack for school if they want to take water to school. I did get some of vanilla ice cream from Walmart. So I was thinking that the kids could have root beer floats this weekend as a treat. So I got some of that. And then we also used this for company last night and made brownies and ice cream for dessert. Hy-Vee had the frozen boneless skinless chicken breast on sale. I believe this was $3.88, and there's 2.5 pounds in here. So this isn't my first choice when it comes to buying chicken breasts. I would rather buy fresh chicken breasts, but in a pinch this is fine, and I will stick it out in the freezer so we can use it later. I did pick up a box of Triscuits for myself. One of my favorite snacks ever is to eat Triscuits with cottage cheese. I don't know why, I just love it, but I'm the only one that eats those, so those will be for me. I also did get 2 boxes, which, by the way, I take a lot of stuff out of the packages as soon as I get it home from the store, so that's why I don't have packaging for any of this, just because it fits so much easier in my freezers and cupboards. But anyway, I got 2 packages of garlic breadsticks from Hy-Vee. We will not eat these all this week, obviously, but they had a buy one get one free in their freezer section, and then they also had where you could fill up a paper bag with frozen items, and everything you could fit in there you got 15% off. So I got the buy one get one free plus the 15% off. We're gonna have spaghetti one night this week, so one of those will be for that meal. Hy-Vee also had their rotisserie chickens on sale for, I believe there was a coupon for this for $3.88. So this is a rather small chicken, and I was gonna make chicken salad, but I haven't decided if I'm gonna do that yet. But either way, I'll pick the meat off of this, use it for something, and then the carcass I will save and put in the freezer for the next time I wanna make homemade chicken stock. I did pick up some more mayo because we were running low on that. I really only get Hellmann's or Kraft mayo, and I prefer Hellmann's, so grab that. I got a couple cans of chickpeas. I've been liking to keep these in the pantry in case I want to make hummus. I grabbed an extra can of red enchilada sauce. This is the old El Paso red enchilada sauce. Homemade enchilada sauce is actually the best, but this is a pretty good substitute in a pinch. All right, you guys tell me if you've ever tried corned beef hash. Some people think this is gross. It reminds me of being a kid. I remember my dad would like fry this up in a skillet with eggs and cheese for breakfast, and I don't buy this very often. I probably buy it like 2 or 3 times a year, if that. But this is really good if you crisp it up in a skillet. I like to put cheese on top of mine, and then we'll have it with eggs and toast for breakfast like on the weekend. Super unhealthy, but also super delicious, so grab some of that. I also did get some baked beans. Kira really likes baked beans. Connor doesn't so much, but Adam and I do. I'm gonna make BLTs one night this week, and so I thought that would be a good side for that. I did grab 2 cans of Progresso soup. I grab a couple of these every week because Adam's been liking to take them to work along with either like a salad or a sandwich for a lunch. So the 2 I got were the creamy roasted chicken and herb dumplings. I can't remember whether we've tried this one before or not. And this one is the chicken cheese enchilada flavor. So this one actually is pretty decently low in carbs. It's 7 carbs per serving, or I guess 14 per can, but this is really good. I've had it before. I did get also some diced tomatoes because I'm going to make a tortellini soup in the crock pot this week, and I needed those for that. And then also obviously a bag of cheese tortellini, the frozen kind from Hy-Vee. Picked up a couple bags of vegetables just to have in the freezer. So I got the peas and carrots and the baby lima beans. Kira really likes lima beans, so I'll probably have those as a side for dinner some night soon. I got some Mickey waffles. Again, took these out of the box and put them in a bag because it fits in my freezer so much better. Okay, so for some household things, well, I guess this is a snack first. These are the Jif power-ups, and these are like little granola nut clusters with strawberry, and my kids really like them. Sometimes I get questions about can they take peanut products to school, and yes, they can. So my daughter has one child in her class that has a peanut allergy, and so she can't take this sort of stuff into her classroom for snack, but she can take it to lunch. My son does not have anyone with a peanut allergy in his class, and so he could actually take these for a snack to school. But got those, well, they were actually in a box, but again, I took it out. I grabbed some more of these Glisten garbage disposal foaming cleaner. These come in little packets, and you put them down into the dishwasher, I can't talk. Garbage disposal. Jeez Louise. Anyway, and it cleans your garbage disposal. I really like these. I use them probably once a week to once every 2 weeks. I also grabbed some of these Neosporin Band-Aids. These are really neat if you've never tried them before. They're Band-Aids that already have Neosporin in them, and I really like to get these for the kids whenever they get a cut. I keep a couple of them in my purse. And then I also got some glasses cleaning cloths. These are the kind that we like to get. They come 100 to a package, and I like to keep these in my purse. Adam likes them too. We both wear glasses, so we definitely need those frequently. I grabbed some diet root beer. As you can see, someone's already drank some, but this was for the root beer floats with the ice cream. I did need more parchment paper, so I grabbed some of that from Walmart. And then this looks like a ton of bread, but when I buy this much bread, we don't eat this all in 1 week. This will take us 2 weeks or longer to eat for sure. This is something I don't normally buy, like the sourdough bread, but I was planning on making BLTs this week, and I thought that would be good for those. What we don't use, I can obviously freeze also for a later use. And then this is the Sara Lee honey wheat bread, which I get every week. We use this for the kids' sandwiches for lunch, or if someone wants a PB&J, they can use that. I grabbed some hot dogs. These will probably go, half of them will go in the freezer. One night this week, we're gonna do like chili and baked potatoes and hot dogs. So those will be for that. I don't usually eat hot dog buns, so Adam and the kids can eat that. And then I thought we were gonna need this for last night because we were thinking that our sous vide was broken and we wouldn't be able to do the steaks, but I got it working. So if you need something fixed, just ask a woman. Just kidding. Adam was actually pretty pissed that he had jacked around with it, and then I came home and was able to get it to work. But our plan B was gonna be to do hamburgers on the grill. And so I picked these up, but then I ended up just putting them into the freezer because we don't need them. So those will go back in the freezer for a later use. And then I did get some of these mini bagels. Sometimes Adam likes to eat bagels for breakfast. Kira definitely likes to eat a bagel for breakfast with strawberry cream cheese. And I thought these would be a little bit healthier and more manageable since they're small. So I'll probably end up freezing some of those. The other thing you can do with these is make little pizzas out of them for your kids, like with marinara sauce and cheese and pepperoni, really good. Okay, junk food. If you guys like cheddar and sour cream Ruffles, which personally is probably my favorite chip in the history of ever, these taste better than the Ruffles. I'm not kidding. This Great Value cheddar and sour cream potato chips, seriously, they are delicious. They are better than the sour cream the sour cream and cheddar Ruffles. Adam thinks so too. So I don't really have a plan for these, but it's getting warmer, and you know, there are times when we want to grill out, and so if we're gonna do like hamburgers and hot dogs on the grill, it's always nice to have a bag of chips in the pantry to go with that. And then I got my kids the baked variety Frito-Lay pack. They have been complaining that I'm just getting the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn, so this one is mixed. It comes with baked Cheetos, pretzels, baked Lays, and the white cheddar popcorn. So I got those just as a little bit of a healthier alternative to the regular chips. So that was everything that I tried to piece back together for you guys. I'm gonna get this stuff put away, and then I'll show you the meal plan. Okay, so tonight I was gonna do like regular enchiladas for dinner, but I found this recipe on Food Network, this nacho cheese casserole by Pioneer Woman. So I am gonna make this for dinner. We'll see how that goes. And then for lunch, I just made some frozen pizzas. On Monday, we're planning on having baked potatoes with chili for dinner. I also might make some hot dogs, and we'll have either salad or raw veggies. Tuesday, I'm gonna make bacon, lettuce, tomato sandwiches with that mac and cheese and probably some veggies and dip or some fruit. Wednesday, I'm planning on making the cheese tortellini soup that also has ground beef in it. And then, or I think it has Italian sausage, but I'm actually gonna use ground beef. And then I'm gonna make some grilled cheese and some fruit. Thursday, I have planned to make spaghetti with meat sauce, a salad and garlic bread. And then Friday, we usually always go out or have pizza. And then Saturday, Adam and I are gonna be gone all day, but the kids will be here with a sitter, so I'll have to figure out something for that. But that is the menu plan for this week. I was super uninspired. I did remember that I actually have Home Chef coming on Tuesday, I think it is this week. So I may have to bump a few of these meals. I'll probably bump the spaghetti to next week if we want to make a Home Chef meal. But anyway, that is what is on the meal plan for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.